Hi guys, my name's Hannah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon citrus and cream soap bar. This soap smells really sweet and refreshing, but is still exfoliating and nourishing. It uses natural poppy seeds and orange peels as an exfoliator, and it uses shea butter for hydration. This soap is not difficult to make, and it's super cute for gifting or selling, or just for using for yourself. I've included a link below with all the ingredients in the kit that I've used from procandlesupply.com. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first you're going to want to weigh out 5 ounces of your Shea Butter Melt and Pour soap base, and then you want to weigh out 5 ounces of your clear Melt and Pour soap base. Then you're going to cut each of those 5 ounces into evenly sized cubes. Then you're going to set the Shea Butter off to the side that you've weighed out, and you're going to put the clear Melt and Pour soap base that you've cut up into a microwave safe bowl, and then we're going to melt it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we have our 5 ounces of the clear Melt and Pour soap base, it's nice, evenly melted, smooth consistency. Now you're going to want to add in your orange peels. So go ahead and dump those in. Make sure you stir really well and get those incorporated. Next, you're going to take your lemon essential oil and you're going to add in about 10 drops of oil. Now, you don't necessarily have to use 10. Some people can use more, some people will use less. It's really up to your preference, but be warned that essential oils can be harsh on the skin if you use too much. Okay, so then you just stir. It smells so good. Okay, and then you just take your mold, and you're going to be pouring your first layer just like this. And you should get about 3 bars from this. Okay, there you go. And that's what this will look like right now. Next step. Now you're going to take your shea butter and you're going to put it into a microwave safe bowl, and you're going to melt this as well. Now that the shea butter is melted nice and smooth, go ahead and take your poppy seeds and you want to add these in as well. Stir thoroughly. Look at those poppy seeds. And you want to make sure you keep stirring when you pour too, because they kind of settle to the bottom. Then you go ahead and take your lemon essential oil and you're going to add another 10 drops or so. Okay, keep stirring. Now once it's all stirred up really well, then you're going to take your molds and you want to make sure that the first layer is firm to the touch, and it is. So you can go ahead and pour the second layer right over the first. And again, if you see any air bubbles on top, take your isopropyl alcohol and spray a little bit to get rid of those. And that's it. So now you need to let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour until it completely hardens, and then we get to pop them out. So time to wait. Okay, so it's been about an hour. Now it's time to check out our soap. I'm so excited. You literally just pop it right out of the silicone mold, just like that. And there you have it. Look, 2 layers of soap. The bottom's clear with orange peels, and the top is shea butter with poppy seeds. It's so fun and so easy, and it smells so freaking good. So if you want to make your own candles and soap, check out procandlesupply.com, where you can find a kit that includes all the ingredients that you need to make this soap right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.